Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, fill out the contact form, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. What we're going to do in this quick video is we are going to add a 2.4 gigahertz only SSID to our Grandstream access points. In a follow-up video, I'll show you how to have a leader-follower situation with the Grandstream access points. But in this video, sometimes you have a device, and I'm getting ready to release my thoughts on the Blink doorbell, which is why this video is coming out. Sometimes you have a device that's 2.4 gigahertz only, or maybe 5 gigahertz only. In this case, it's 2.4 gigahertz, so let's get after it. Okay, so we're logged into our APs. You can see we've got two APs. We're going to go over to SSIDs. We're going to click Add. Once Add comes up, we're going to select the name here. And you'll see here in just a second where we select that band. But we're going to go ahead and put in the name of our SSID here. And I already have FBI van, so I need this to be like FBI IoT. And I'm going to enable it. And here is where I'm going to select the band. So I could select 2.4 or 5 or both. I need 2.4 only. Now I'm going to put in my WPA pre-shared key. I'm just going to leave it as WPA2 for now. Make sure that's a decently secure password. Then I'm going to select the devices that are going to broadcast the SSID. I don't need a VLAN. It can stay on my main VLAN for now. So I'm going to re-enter this just to make sure that I remembered what I just put in. So after you do all that, you can go ahead and click Save. And once you click Save and Apply, it's going to take a minute here, and all the services are going to have to restart. And once that's done, you now have a second SSID that is only 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, that's it. It's really that simple. So if you have a device that needs only a 2.4 or a 5, or the devices get confused because you have an SSID broadcasting on both, this is the way to fix it. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, please comment and share, please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Those links are down below. All of the different ways you can support the channel, including affiliate links and Patreon, all of that is down below. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, fill out that contact form, and someone will be in touch as soon as possible. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.